let's make some art. So I'm going to use a random word generator, try to come up with an image here. I use the word loot. This is the first image, and yeah, I was happy with this. Let's go on with the next one. Here's a jaw, and whoa, that's kind of weird. Okay, let's try this one. Bend shift. Okay, it's a trash can. The next one's cousin industry. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take this and put in the same word into Google and find, whoa, alright, some really weird images in there. But let's just use the word industry, kind of match up the images here. Yeah, that kind of looks similar to the other one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is save this, go in Photoshop. Now I'm not very good at Photoshop, but I have learned a few things, so let me put my skills to the test and see what kind of things I can come up with. And you already saw the final result in the beginning, but this is my path on that way to making that result. And yeah, so just watch along. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. Yeah, so here I wanted to add just some weird stuff to the scene, put some fire in the mix, and I added that car up there on the road. I thought it was pretty funny. So I just grabbed some more Google images and threw them into the image here, changed them up a little bit. And I was really just playing around. I didn't really have any idea of what I wanted to make out of these two images, but I was pretty happy with the results. I put some filters on at the end here, and you'll be able to see those here in a little bit. So yeah, here's a few examples of the filters that you can apply. And I applied an etching effect, and I also cleaned up the edges of these flames. This helped give it a more realistic look. So it's pretty cool that you can do this with using AI and then manipulating it yourself, pretty much making whatever imagery that you want. Here I added a mirror effect. Kind of made it pretty cool. And here's a few other effects I just applied over the top of the images. That one kind of looks like an arcade or something. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching again, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have more videos like this on my channel.